Why hair transplants go beyond aesthetics? The following results are achieved by Dr. Yu using Ugraft FUE technology. 1. It conceals past conditions, giving our patients a renewed sense of confidence. 2. It's a reconstructive procedure, post-disease treatment. We restored their right eyebrow and beard, helping them regain a natural appearance. It's also perfect for correcting botched surgeries. Hair transplants provide relief to patients traumatized by unsatisfying or disfiguring results. It also offers practical benefits by protecting severely bald scalp from the harmful effects of the sun.